Hello, my name is Shanda Stenyer, and I'm going to walk you through some easy steps for teaching and assessing the 6th grade music standard. For additional information and resources, please be sure to visit the Learning First system in Canvas or the Fine Arts channel in the 6th grade team. Let's get started. Today, our lesson will focus on exploring connections between music genres and history, culture, heritage, and community. The learning target of this tutorial is to give simple ways and questions that tie history and culture to music. There will also be simple examples of what proficiency, approaching proficiency, and beginning proficiency may look like. Be sure to check out the description for the full list of materials. Here are a few tips before you get started. When looking at music resources, it is best to find primary resources to listen to different cultural examples. This may take some time, but it is well worth the effort to share true examples of music in different cultures and genres. All right, here we go. The world's oldest instrument dates back 35,000 years ago. It was a simple flute that was carved out of 2 pieces of mammoth ivory and sealed together. This flute was discovered in a cave in Germany by Nicholas J. Conrad. Making music has been a universal quality of human society. In an article written by Jeremy Montague, he shares some thoughts on why we have music and the importance of it throughout history. He states that music leads to bonding, such as bonding between mother and child, or bonding between groups. Music keeps workers happy when doing repetitive and otherwise boring work, and helps everyone to move together, increasing the force of their work. Dancing or singing together before a hunt or warfare binds participants in a cohesive group. He concludes, it has even been suggested that music, in causing such bonding, created not only the family, but society itself, bringing individuals together who might otherwise have led solitary lives. As you explore the history of the world, one way for students to look at and learn about society is to learn about the arts and the functions that they performed in that society. There are 4 main ways that music has been used. The purposes of music can be dance, personal or communal entertainment, communication, and ritual. As you learn about history and culture, you can have students ask these questions about how music was used from the information we have. You can also explore music from the cultures of students in your classroom, school, community, and music from around the world. Music can be a way to get a glimpse into another culture and how they play, work, dance, and create community through music. You can also ask students questions, such as what do they listen to and what purpose does it serve in their lives? Do they only listen to music for enjoyment, or is there communication or community that occurs? When students are exploring musical connections, proficiency may be that students can connect how they experience music to how others in the past or from different cultures experience music. A student who is approaching proficiency may notice something similar, but be unable to connect it to their own experiences. A student who is the beginning stages of proficiency will listen to the music, but may not have much to respond to. Whenever we are working with and listening to music, it is important to know that there are students who are unable to hear and experience music the same way. If that is the case, it is important to find different ways for students to experience the beat or the vibrations of music. Thanks for joining us today. Please be sure to check out the additional resources in the Learning First system in Canvas and the Fine Arts Teams channel for your grade level for additional support and training information.